Each Chromebook has 3 labels. Please ensure you do not remove any of these labels. Please refrain from adding any stickers to the device. Each Chromebook has a unique barcode. Please remember this number, as this is how you will identify your Chromebook from others. Every Chromebook comes with a charger. Please use this charger with your device only. Do not lend it out. Part of your responsibility is ensuring your Chromebook is charged before coming to school. Be sure to charge your Chromebook every night. When unplugging your device, use 2 fingers to firmly grasp the base of the power cable and pull straight out. When carrying your Chromebook, always use 2 hands, with the display facing toward your body. You should not carry anything else while carrying your Chromebook. When opening your Chromebook, use 2 hands, one to hold down the base, and one to gently raise the display. Never pick up your Chromebook by the display. When taking your Chromebook home, make sure you store your Chromebook in the designated laptop area of your bag. When traveling with your Chromebook, do not overcrowd your backpack with books, binders, or other materials, as it could result in damage to your device. If your device is not functioning properly, first try turning it off and on again. If the problem persists, notify your teacher, and they will report the issue to our building technology specialist for repair.